I was actually back with you with River Rock Productions. We're here at Lake Lundy this morning, Friday. Been here about an hour or so, just getting started. We got one of our crew guys that are here. He got one so far. This is Lundy. Got the water really high here this year. We got the dock open this year. It wasn't open last year. It's a dam at the other end. This is everybody that's here. So we're gonna stay here for about another hour or so and see if we can get some more fish. If we can't, then we'll have to head out and go back to Grant. Grant got one out of there yesterday, so we're here today. There's Andy. I got another one over there, Andy. Kind of cold here out today compared to yesterday. It was pretty warm, sunny. Supposed to rain yesterday, didn't rain like it was supposed to. But today we're talking about maybe some showers later today, thunder showers they're saying. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But so far everything's looking okay. It's not too cold, pretty comfortable. So we're just waiting around so we can't get some out here. It's a pretty nice area to fish at. It's always been pretty good. Been pulling some fish out of here every year. We've always got quite a few fish out here, so that's what we're hoping. That's the inlet over there. I guess water coming from the mountains back in here. So, alright. Get back to you a little bit later. If anybody gets anything, we'll keep you in tune. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. Okay.